is no escape. There never was. There never will. Steel sky pressing on my chest. Every breath a failed request. Air is thick with silent screams, crushing on my broken dreams. Running circles in my mind. Every exit undefined. Every door dissolves to dust. Every hope begins to rust. Gravity pulls twice as strong. Every second feels so long. Shadows crawl beneath my skin. This is where the end begins. I try to find a hidden door. There's nothing there anymore. No signal, no sign, no cure. No escape, it's absolute. Every path is destitute. Impossible, every prayer inaudible. Eternally locked inside reality. There's no key and no release. There will never be relief. Impossible, impossible. I scream, but there's no sound. Concrete sky and iron ground. I am lost but tightly bound. Walls are closing inch by inch. Teeth are grinding, fists are clenched. Static burning through my veins. Lightning trapped inside my brain. Every thought just amplifies. Endless internal demise. If I fall, there's no below. If I run, there's nowhere to go. Every direction leads to the same, a different shape of endless pain. I search for light inside the dark, but every spark just leaves a scar. No exit, no restart. No escape, it's permanent. Every breath is punishment. No escape, no remedy. No one coming to save me. No escape, infinity. Chained inside identity. There's no future left to shape. It's impossible to escape. I beg the sky for something more, but silence answered like before. I tore my hands against the walls, but nothing breaks and nothing falls. I try to wake, but this is real. This is something I must feel. A prison with no open gate. A life sealed shut by fate. It's absolute. All resistance rendered mute. No sanctuary, just a truth that's cold and scary. Endlessly buried in inevitability. There's no method, no debate. It's too late. There is no escape. There's no escape. No escape. Impossible. Forever. The walls are breathing, closing fast. Every second is my last. Sirens screaming in my skull. Hope is dead. The void is full. Black sun rising in my veins. Acid rain inside my brain. Every nerve is set on fire. Burning higher, higher, higher. I tore the map, I broke the code. Still the same unending road. Every glitch just multiplies. Endless system override. My reflection starts to crack. Something pulling me back. Every version of myself left abandoned on a shelf. Bloodshot vision turning red, every future already dead. Time is looping endlessly, mocking every plea from me. I erase and still remain, bound to permanent domain. There's no bottom to this fall, no response when I call. Sound you sounds before it's made, light corrodes and starts to fade. I try to kill the fear inside, but fear and I are unified. I try to tear the night apart, but darkness lives inside my heart. Every tear just turns to stone, every scream comes back alone. I am the prison and the cell, heaven locked, welcome to hell. No escape, no peace, no peace, no repair, no repair. Only pressure everywhere. Escape, infinite, every breath insignificant. Red grenade, no escape in sovereign scale. Impossible, no exit, no backseat, forever a Oh no, there was nowhere left to go. I stopped screaming, no one ever heard me. I stopped hoping, hope was never mine.